Hi, this is Dr. Lisa Giacomo, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Adobe Spark to create a short explainer video. So the first thing you want to do is go to spark.adobe.com and then click on Sign In. Now, I usually choose to sign in with Adobe Spark with my Google Bronco Mail, so I click on Google and I wait for it to load. And then I click on my Bronco Mail account. And I'm brought to this landing page. So there's a couple of different ways, of course, that you can get to the video explainer creation area or edit area. You can either go to My Projects if you already have a project that's been started that you want to resume. You can click on the plus and you can go to the video link, or you can click on slideshow. So we're just going to give our video explainer a working title, My First Explainer Video, or maybe you're doing this for your discussion board post introduction, in which case you can title it for that. Then click on Next. Once you get here, you have a variety of templates that you might be able to choose from. I usually just go to Start from Scratch. Once here, I generally, as a rule, cut out all of the instructions and I just go play. So now you'll see ahead of you, you have a desktop, or you have an area where you can work, right? So there's a preview button. After we build something, you can click on this and see the preview of what you've built. There is a share button, so you can send it to other people so they can see it. There is a download button. That's how I generally use these videos. I download them as MP4s and I upload them into my YouTube account. Or there's a collaborate button, so you can actually add somebody else to your video project and you can both build it together. You just need their email address. I'm going to exit out of that area. Here you'll see this is the main screen where you can build your presentation or your explainer video or your introduction video. There are a different set of layouts that you can choose from over here. There are different themes that you can apply to your video. I can click Elevate for right now. We'll apply the Elevate theme in green. And you can resize your video. You can either size it for widescreen or square for your Insta account. And you can choose different type of music to put in the background. I'll just go with the Sunlit Valley, I think. Let's listen to that. That sounds great to me. All right, so now we're ready to start building. So for my first slide, I usually add some sort of title to it. And here we go. We'll say that this one is my first video explainer project. So we'll title it as such. And then you'll see down here there are little thumbnails, right? This is the title screen thumbnail. We can add another slide and we can add a photo. So you either might upload a photo from your personal collection. You could take a photo or you can find free photos. I really like the full color video photos that they offer for free, so I'll just look for one. Explainer. I'll type of explainer and see, oh, nothing came up, so then I'll type in video. And there we go. There's a great graphic that goes along with my theme. And if I go back to layout, I can choose to either put it in a split screen and add text on one side, or I can add a caption down here. or if I feel like it, I can add a title and subtext. Right? I think though for now, I'll just go with the caption. I like the caption because it adds an opaque background, so it helps the text pop out from the picture. And now I'm going to add a video. So I click on the video button and I navigate to where I have, oh, look at that. I have a video that I want to include.
Look at me.
Isn't that a great video? All right, we'll do that one. We'll save it. And I took that video right on my little cell phone and just sent it to myself via email and saved it on my hard drive. Super fast. And I can change the size of it so that it fits a little bit better. And I think I will put it on 1/2 of the slide. We'll keep with that gray theme, and I will enlarge it again. There we go. Here I'm going to add some text. Notice the subject. And what else? Let's see. So as you can see, you can add an icon on your slides, a photo, a text, or video, and you can even make them in different captions, as we said before. Let's choose an icon. And let's see, for this project, I want to use, perfect. All right. So now I'm ready to add in my voiceovers. So I go back to the slide where I want to add voiceovers. Each slide is actually only allowed you to record 30 seconds worth of audio. And so if you want to record more than 30 seconds of an audio intro, you would need to come down here and click duplicate. And then you can record 30 seconds on your first slide and 30 seconds on your second slide. You can record less than 30 seconds and it will just move forward through your slides a little bit faster. There's a plus sign up here that will allow you to add video or audio as well after you add your text, so you can go back in and edit these slides as you see fit. As you noticed down here in this toolbar, you can play your slide just to see how it looks, to preview it. You can duplicate it, you can even delete it. I think I will delete it because I don't need an extra 30 seconds for that slide. And I'm going to show you how to record your voiceover. So you're going to click on that red button and hold it down and then speak. This is my first explainer video project. I hope you like it. And now if I click on preview, this is my first explainer video project. You can't really hear my voice so well, but you get the idea of what it could look like. And it even comes with credits. So that's it. Once I decide I'm all set with my video project, I click on download. As I mentioned before, it'll take some time to render the video, and eventually it'll ask you where you want to save your video. And that's it. All right, I'll look forward to seeing your Introduction Spark videos and explainer videos. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.